What's going on, you guys? Ace back here coming at you with a brand new video. And I just want to talk to you guys real quick about Walmart's earnings call. So tomorrow, Walmart is going to report earnings pre-market, and everybody's going to be keeping an eye out on the sales and also the volume of their sales. So also something quick to note that tomorrow is going to be Thursday, February 18th. We're going to be reviewing the company in and of itself and what to look out for. If you guys are new here, don't consider dropping a like on this video and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. It only takes a second and I'd really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's hop right into it. So first off, we're just going to be reviewing Walmart. Walmart in and of itself is a company that is a retail giant. They sell almost anything and everything that you can think of. They are a current competitor to Amazon. That is who they're competing against in terms of customers. So basically, the biggest difference between the two, of course, is that Amazon is an e-commerce platform while Walmart is an in-person platform, but they are investing into e-commerce more and more as they have noticed trends. Although Walmart still has a major dominance in capturing customers for quantity versus quality purposes, as in to say that Walmart provides really cheap products and that attracts the American culture of consumers who love buying cheap things. And I do remember, I think Walmart tried to go international before. The last time I was looking into Walmart, they went and tried to go international into places like, I believe it was India, and the Walmart failed because the people didn't like the quality of the products. So that was something where they failed to understand the culture of the area they were entering. But that was something really interesting to note. So this is very built around culture. And some of the major shareholders right now in Walmart are Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street, Bank of America, FMR, Northern Trust, and some of its other competitors also include Target. Let's see. Nothing much to there. Let's go ahead and take a real quick look at their stock. So today the stock is up about 0.67%. They're currently at $146.60 a share. It's overvalued according to Yahoo Finance. You guys know I love to use Yahoo Finance a lot, but it's just a lot easier on me. Oh, reloaded. So also, on the short term, they're expecting a bullish pattern. Midterm, they're expecting a bearish pattern. I can justify this. I feel like COVID has enticed people to shop more, and therefore Walmart will have more sales. That just makes sense. And then when things start to cool down and people start to open back up on restrictions and calm down, Walmart might see a drop in sales. Also, something really important is that Walmart just finished end of the year sales, holiday shopping, and other nice events. So this was a really important quarter for them. And I do not know how the future is going to play out for Walmart. Overall, it is a very large retail giant. It has been taking a lot of the space. Walmart is a very famous name in the United States, probably one of the most famous stores that exists. And something real quick that MarketWatch has told us to look out for is more or less what I was saying about volume. So year over year, they're expecting Walmart's volume to explode, obviously because of COVID, but also because apparently something that they are not going to enjoy is that when Walmart drops prices, they usually drop prices to get rid of inventory, and that means they might be losing money in sales. So overall, there have been, price targets of about $154, and some price targets around $162, and right now we are at $146. In the short term, I can obviously see some of these happening. The name in and of itself of the brand is very trustworthy, but overall, we're looking at increases in revenue, increases in volume of sales, and how they're going to be modeling their price to volume structure. Another thing too is that Walmart has been trying to integrate into some other spaces. I think Walmart currently is trying to offer vaccinations for COVID-19, as this Investopedia just stated. Investopedia, I feel like, is a very credible source that a lot of people know about, so I hope it's credible enough to include in this video. And of course, they're going to try to distribute vaccinations, and I know Walmart's almost pretty famous with pharmaceuticals right now. It's getting into pharmaceuticals. As you guys can see here, Walmart did pretty well during the COVID-19 crash. It seems like the S&P 500 dropped like crazy, while Walmart held strong, actually blew up a little bit more. Another cool thing that you guys should check out is Walmart's financials. So, of course, you can check this out through the income statements, which lets you know how they're doing in the short term in terms of like their quarter, the balance sheet, the cash flow. This will really help you track some of their expenses and where they're going. Another thing that we're going to check out, though, is the earnings. So, overall, it looks like Walmart's earnings have been bouncing around a little bit. So far in the past 3 quarters, they have beat expectations. And then they had one where they did not. So this quarter, we might see a drop like there was in the previous. So Walmart's market cap is pretty large. It's at $414 billion, right now compared to one of its competitors, which is, of course, Target. So Target currently has a market cap of 96 billion, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but when compared to a tycoon like Walmart, we won't see as much spikes or percentage of volatility in Walmart as we would see in something like Target. Unless Walmart has some crazy new ideal. I think Walmart was trying to get into the works of buying TikTok at one point, but I don't know what happened with that. I don't think they ended up winning the bid, or if they did, I don't see news about it on here, so that must be old news. And I do know that Walmart is like capable of moving about 3-4%, so we could see a good 3-4% jump or drop in terms of its earnings report. So always expect like a 3 or 4% movement in the stock price. I think that's a pretty stable estimate. And if we just real quick multiply its current value by 4%, we could see Walmart hitting $152.37, or we could see it dropping to a maximum of $140.64. So expect a jump or a drop. I personally think there might be a good jump just because of how COVID has changed the landscape for shopping for a lot of people. What you really want to look out for, though, is like the volume of their sales, if they're lowering or dropping prices, and also like how they're doing with the COVID vaccinations. So other than that, though, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that like button. Hey, catch you in the next video. Based on, you can see what kind of expenses they actually had in real time. And another thing, too, is, well, not in real time, but at the end of the